This morning in Legal Logic, we are talking about a topic making headlines these days, hazing. And now that school is back in session, many college fraternities and sororities are getting those pledges and initiations underway. And if you have a child in school, you may be worried after hearing the recent stories of, unfortunately, parties gone wrong. Well, here now to explain who is responsible and the legal ramifications is our friend, attorney Brian Kuna. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Brandon. As usual.
Great to have you back. An important topic today, a difficult one because we've been hearing so much lately. Unfortunately, these stories continue to come out. It seems every year, every month, something else is happening with an unfortunate circumstance. From a responsibility standpoint, from that legal standpoint, who really is at fault here when one of these tragedies takes place?
Well, we know what hazing is. Hazing is a method of initiation into a sorority, fraternity, generally fraternities, even athletic teams. The military has it.
Yeah.
And it is a problem, but it is kind of lightly taken by many legislators. The penalties, believe it or not, in Rhode Island, the maximum penalty is $500. In Massachusetts, it's $3,000. And for an administrator, it's between $10 and $100. It's a minimum penalty. Listening
to you say that seems unfathomable, especially in this day and age where we see these things happening. Are we getting closer to that changing at all? Is there legislation, on the docket?
The legislation was passed in Massachusetts in 1985 in response to a death of a student in 1984. The boy had acute alcohol poisoning. His mother was the prime mover of it. Governor Dukakis passed the law, but it's still a law without a lot of teeth in most states. And social scientists really have a hard time understanding hazing, because what is hazing? Hazing is basically, I'm going to be a bully to you for a month, then we're going to be bros.
For life.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's the problem with it. And a lot of legislators, a lot of people went through it. And so social scientists really don't understand it because it really is a method of socialization between members. However, when it goes bad, it goes very bad. And we know what hazing consists of. It consists of any kind of mental or physical abuse of another. And it goes on a lot. I mean, in Rhode Island, as you just said, there's two instances. One where a Penn State student was recently charged with involuntary manslaughter. Someone died. This was in this year. And in 2015, there's a student from Johnson and Wales who actually has sued the fraternity and the college.
From a parental perspective, what should parents know going into something if their child is just starting in college?
It is a very, very difficult thing to deal with. I was in a fraternity. I went through it. And it is miserable. For 1 month, it can be as little as carrying someone's books around, but it can be as bad as forced intoxication. So parents have to be aware of it. Kids have to be aware of it. There has to be some judgment, but it's a rite of passage for many students. Unfortunately, the laws haven't really caught up with the seriousness of hazing.
We just don't want to see it spiral out of
control. We don't. It happens, and
we got to keep our eyes on it. Brian, thank you very much. If you are looking for even more free legal advice, you can just check out the Legal Logic channel on Roadshow.com for some of Brian's previous segments.